Fabulae 54. Dumtamen iter faciant. However, while they were making their trip, ad flumen quodam parvenerant, they came to a river. And again, quidam, quidam, quodam just means a. Can mean some, but in this case, a. All right, pretty simple so far. Verb here, verb here. Inquo, on which, and this refers back to the flumen, singular, singular, neuter, neuter. Notice flumen is the accusative. It's the object of the preposition ad. But the relative pronoun that refers to it is in the ablative, because its function in its own clause is the object of the preposition. Nice. Some chunks there. In which there was no bridge. Right, little pause there. And while they were puzzling or thinking about quonam modo, how transeant to cross flumen, the bridge. Yeah, verb there. Transeant, that's present, active, subjunctive, because it's in this dum clause. Oh, where is it? Nope. Quonam. That's the clause there. Quonam modo flumen transeant. And this is actually an indirect question. I'm going to write it over here. Indirect question. That in the camera? Yep. All right, indirect question. So the direct question would be, how should we cross the river? But the indirect question is, they were puzzling over how they would cross the river. Nisus the centaur ran up. Nisus, who, there it is right there, clause here, who, verb here, offered, direct object here, help to the travelers, dative here, indirect object. So Hercules, exorum suam interrogum nesse imposuit, subject, verb, yeah. Hercules placed his wife on the back of Nisus. Then he himself tranavit flumen, swam across the river. Flumen, that is accusative, because as you know, the nominative and accusative of all neuters is always the same in Latin and Greek, and the plural always ends in a. Nisus, however, progressus, little participial phrase here. This is PPP of a deponent verb, progredior. Forms are passive, meaning is active. Having proceeded a little bit into the water, chunk, ad ripam, to the bank, subito, suddenly, revertebator, he turned around. Careful of that, that's a deponent verb. Again, passive form, active meaning. And, conjunction there, plus conabator, ooh, another deponent, passive form, active meaning. He was trying to steal Deianira. Irregular, present, active, infinitive. So let's parse this one. This is conabator. So yeah, imperfect, passive. Remember, we always mark the form. The form is passive, the meaning is active. It's the imperfect passive indicative. Third person singular. Quod cum animad versit Hercules. This is a circumstantial clause, and the quod really belongs inside of it. When Hercules noticed this quod refers back to the stealing of Deianira. They like to start these sentences with the relative pronoun before the conjunction. Notice this. Ooh, let's try parsing that. We've got a little sun ray here. Focus on that. Okay, this is the hisser, the hissing subjunctive, animad weird tisset. So this is the pluperfect active, subjunctive. Nice one. The subject's Hercules, the object is quod. Ira graviter commotus, stirred or motivated or distressed greatly by means of anger. Ablative of means there. Nice one. Arcum intended. He drew his bow, he stretched his bow, or aimed his bow, and transfixit. He pierced. Verb. The chest of Nisus. Another ablative of means. By means of an arrow.